In this video, let's look at how to stop a loop based on a condition. So let's say you have a for loop for I in range of 20, and let's assume you have a number here, some number, and you would like to divide it by 2 every time. So let's print x and see what's happening. So it's just gonna start off with the first number divided by 2, and then it's gonna keep dividing, and it's gonna do this 20 times. Assume that you don't want to exactly do it 20 times. You just want to stop it once the number falls below 1. Okay, so to do this, you would just type in if x is less than 1. That's your condition to stop. The command for stopping is break. Okay, so if I run this code now, you can see it stops immediately after the number falls less than 1. So, okay, another way to do the same would have been to write a while loop. So you could write this as while x, but when you write a while loop, you have to write the condition that's supposed to be true when that's supposed to make the loop run. So in our case, the loop has to run as long as x is greater than 1. Okay, so in that case, you don't have to use the condition over here, and you get the same result. Okay, in some cases, you can also write loops like this: while true, x equal to x divided by 2, and if x is less than 1, then break. So this also works, but you have to be careful that the condition must execute at some point in time, otherwise you'll be stuck in an infinite loop. So for example, if I had said x is less than -1, which is never going to be true, I'll get stuck in an infinite loop like this. Okay, to stop it, just click on stop over here.